Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play time trial in F1. First, from the main menu, you will want to navigate to the F1 World section. Once there, look for the solo and multiplayer option and select time trial. This mode allows you to practice and improve your driving skills without the pressure of other racers. You can choose any car and track combination, along with various weather settings, to tailor your experience. It's a fantastic way to learn circuits and master your vehicle. Once you've entered time trial, it's time to optimize your setup. You can pick any car from the available teams and then select your favorite circuit. The game offers a wide range of setup options, from aerodynamics to suspension, which significantly impact your lap times. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings. Also, consider different tire compounds and fuel loads. A lighter car with softer tires often yields faster laps, but requires careful management. Now, let's talk about driving techniques to master the track. Smoothness is key. Gentle inputs on the steering, throttle, and brakes will help maintain grip and speed. Pay close attention to the racing line assist, which guides you through the optimal path for each corner. A powerful tool is the Ghost Car feature. You can race against your personal best, a friend's time, or even a global leaderboard entry, providing a clear target for improvement. Finally, to truly excel in time trial, you need to analyze your performance. After each lap, dive into the telemetry data. This detailed information shows your speed, braking points, and throttle application, highlighting where you gain or lose time. Pinpoint specific corners or sections where you are slower and dedicate practice to those areas. Consistent practice, even for just 15 or 20 minutes daily, will build muscle memory and refine your technique, leading to significant lap time reductions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.